Can you survive a volcanic eruption, and how long would it take? The answer depends on where you are and how fast you react. Some eruptions give you mere seconds, others minutes. Let's uncover the shocking truths about surviving one of nature's deadliest events. Volcanic eruptions come mainly in two types: explosive and effusive. Explosive eruptions blast ash, gas, and molten rock at high speeds, creating pyroclastic flows that can travel over 100 miles per hour. These flows are deadly and leave almost no chance of survival if you're caught nearby. On the other hand, effusive eruptions produce lava flows that move slowly enough for most people to escape, though the heat and toxic gases still pose serious risks. Knowing the eruption type is crucial for survival planning. The biggest threat comes from pyroclastic flows, hot gas, and volcanic matter racing downhill at speeds over 100 miles per hour. These flows can incinerate everything instantly. Ash clouds also cause breathing problems and collapse roofs. Lava flows, although slower, destroy everything in their paths by burning and crushing. Being close to the volcano when it erupts is extremely dangerous, and survival depends largely on quick evacuation. If you're near an explosive eruption, your survival window is often seconds to a minute before pyroclastic flows overwhelm the area. That means having a plan and acting immediately is critical. For slower lava flows, you might have minutes to hours to evacuate safely. Monitoring volcano warnings and evacuation orders can save your life. Preparation and awareness are your best defenses against volcanic disasters. To survive a volcanic eruption, stay updated with alerts from authorities. If you live near a volcano, prepare an emergency kit including masks to filter ash, water, and sturdy clothing. Evacuate as soon as warnings are issued. Never wait for the eruption to start. If caught outside, cover your mouth and nose to avoid inhaling ash and seek shelter away from lava paths and pyroclastic flow zones. Your survival depends on preparation and quick action. Surviving a volcanic eruption is possible but depends on your location, the eruption type, and how quickly you act. Seconds can mean the difference between life and death, so being prepared is vital. If you want daily answers to questions you didn't know you had, hit subscribe and stay curious.